Client needs to pick up the bottle, look at the logo, feel refreshed before they open it. It should feel alive. This time I have spent lots of time in sketching as shown on the screen. A mood board in which few empties need to be filled with the logo. So let's start with the type tool. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe for more such videos. In the monogram, I need letter Z with orange shape and leaf. Zest means citrus, so orange shape will define citrus, and flora means nature, so leaf will define it. Follow the steps as shown on the screen. Here you might feel the leaf image bigger, then you can make it small also. If you are still happy watching it, then please subscribe and watch my old and upcoming videos. Now with the help of Shape Builder tool, let's give it a modern touch. Now let's type the logo name with the help of type tool. So here we will be using a Varela round font for little playful look. The colors are taken from the mood board image. Comment me how you like the image. Move on to updated mood board with visual representation. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.